Hey, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Shanae and today I'm going to show you how to make super quick Chinese chicken stir fry. It's flavorful, it's colorful and super versatile. All we need to have is chicken breast, stir fry sauce, bell peppers. I'm using colorful ones, but we just need one. And I'm using napa cabbage today, but you can use any kind of greens. Bok choy, baby bok choy is a really good option, and a little bit green onions and olive oil for cooking. And this recipe goes really well with plain white rice, so I have that cooking on the stove top right now. And we'll start with slicing the chicken and we'll marinate while we prepare the vegetables. So let's get started. So I like to slice my chicken into super thin slices so that it cooks faster. This is perfect weeknight dinner recipe. You can prepare the chicken stir-fry sauce up to 1 week in advance, and which is really a great meal prep idea. I have a video for making the stir-fry sauce on my channel already. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it after this video, and I'll put a link down in the description as well. So I just sliced the chicken and I'm going to add the half of the stir-fry sauce, mix it first, and reserve the other half for stir-frying. I'll add half of the sauce, mix it up for a little bit, and then let it marinate for about 10-15 minutes. And you can actually marinate for overnight if you would like. If you want to prepare it the night before, that's totally fine too. I'll set this aside and we'll get chopping all the vegetables and we'll start cooking, okay? If you don't want to mess with seeds, here's a really easy way to cut bell pepper. You can just cut it straight down. And then you can just throw this out. You want about 2 to 3 cups of vegetables. So you can use any kind of vegetables. The beauty of this recipe is very forgiving, very versatile. You can use beef if you would like to. Any kind of vegetables, broccoli, I just like to add lots of different colors so it looks pretty and lots of nutrition. White part of the green onion for sauteing the vegetables first, and then reserve the green part for garnish. Okay, vegetables are ready and we're going to heat up the skillet and start cooking. So I'm preheating my skillet over high heat, and because we're cooking everything on high heat, I recommend oils with high smoke point. So for example, vegetable oil, regular olive oil, not extra virgin olive oil, or grapeseed oil, those kind of oil will work ideally here. Butter or sesame oil or extra virgin olive oils are not ideal for this stir fry. So when the skillet is nice and hot, go ahead and add oil, and then once the oil is shimmering hot, we'll add the chicken. Once everything is nicely browned, we'll stir it and then cook it on the other side. So don't move it around, make sure to nicely sear, and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. You want to see this nice browning? I'm using my 12-inch skillet here, and if you have smaller skillet, make sure to work in batches because you don't want to overcrowd the pan. Otherwise you won't get this nice browning, and all you will do is steam the chicken, and that's not what we would like to have. Browning is basically developing flavor. So now the chicken is cooked, and I'm going to transfer it onto a plate, and then we'll stir fry the vegetables. We'll add a little bit more oil and scallions, and then we'll add our vegetables. Start smelling amazing. Stir fry everything. We don't have to cook it too long because you want to have a little bit crunch and everything. And now we'll add our sauce. Now let's add the chicken. And dinner is ready. Who is hungry? It smells so good in my kitchen right now, and let's plate it up. I have plain rice here, and oh, it smells really good. I can't wait to dive in. I love how rice soaks up this delicious sauce. Let's take a bite. So good. Chicken is so tender, and I love how plain rice balances out the soy sauce, the sauce. It's just so delicious. I can't wait for you to try this recipe. If you try it, please let me know in the comments how you like it, and I love hearing your feedback. And thank you for watching.